back to Ajmera Fashion. This is your friend Vaishnavi Chauhan, and today's video is gonna be a kurti and bottom set. Yes, that might be a plazo, patiala, sharara and lots more. So please keep watching this video and let's move further and let's see the first sample, and that is going to be a patiala one. Yes, it is a ready-made patiala which is on a double XL size. This is going to be a top. You can see in the front of the top there is a very pretty this kind of latkans you are getting, and same way here you can see it has a very elegant kind of mirror flooring, and same way I want to show you this is a dupatta, and again it is coming with the pretty bottom. So as I told you, this is going to be a double XL size, which is very wild, you can see. So this is very perfect and ideal for all kind of sizes. Let's move further and let's see another kurti which is going to be on a medium size. Yes, so this is straight medium size kurti which I am showing you right now with a great quality of work. You can see the multi work. This is going to be the multi work it has, and I hope you can see the texture of the fabric. So this texture you will get, and same way I want to show you again the bottom. So let's move further towards the bottom. So this is going to be a flared bottom with this one-sided pretty dupatta. Look, one-sided pretty dupatta it is coming with. Isn't this very pretty and very unique? Actually, we have wild range of varieties in every single that might be a sari, kurti, lehenga, nighty, dress material, anything. We have every single thing, whatever a retailer need. But today we are just watching a kurti and a bottom set. Let's move further and let's see another masterpiece. So next one is coming with this very pretty kind of pocket. I hope you can see here it is a proper pocket. So here you will have idea this is a properly pocket inside that. Look, so it is a pocket, and outside the pocket there is a work, heavy work, and it has this double flared long sleeves. Yes, this is a double flared long sleeves and attractive bottom. You can see this is the first side of bottom which is very attractive and elegant. So this is two-piece set. There is a set of 3 pieces, 4 pieces, 5 pieces. Now next I'm going to show you a catalog. So this is catalog. Look, all colors are really actually pretty. This is a color of set of 4 pieces, so there are 4 colors different and 4 patterns on that. That is also different. We are going to see actual piece. Look. So let's open. This is on a cotton fabric. We have cotton, rayon, hosiery material, lycra, two-tone, all kind of materials over here, because we are the manufacturers. We manufacture every single thing whatever a retailer need. So if you want a particular size or a particular fabric, we can make that too. But there is some terms and conditions which you have to follow. For to more about that, what you can do, you can directly contact us. Now we are gonna see a Pakistani ready-made suit over here. Yes, you can see this is ready-made Pakistani suit I am showing you. Now why ready-made Pakistani dress? Because there are a Pakistani suit which is ready-made, unstitched, full stitch or semi-stitch. You can see the work, very decent, very attractive and heavy work you are getting here. Same way I want to show you a dupatta too. Look, this is going to be a dupatta which is actually very pretty. Look, isn't this very unique and very pretty? Actually we have wide range of varieties. Just an example, this is going to be our counter. So whole counter is just about kurtis and plazos and A-line kurtis and straight curves and chikankari, all varieties. This whole is just our counter of kurti, except that we have sari, kurti, lehenga, nighty, dress material, ladies undergarment, every single thing whatever a retailer needs. That is no wholesale. So it's my humble request, if you want to start your business of clothes, do come here. For online order, numbers are on screen. Just call there. Further information we will provide you. Transportation is available. For inquiry of transportation, you can call us. So friends, this was our video about kurti. If this video was informative for you, don't forget to like this video, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. This is your friend Vaishnavi Chauhan. That's it for today. Signing off.